it's Mr. John's, and I just got a package in the mail, and I just wanted to demonstrate how carefully these things are packaged. Look at the size of this box. So you might be surprised to learn that there is one Hot Wheels car in this box. Huge box for one little Hot Wheels car. But collectors take this very seriously, and I appreciate that, and I'm not making fun of the preparation, because some of these sellers on YouTube do an amazing job taking care of the product that you're buying, and others don't, right? They just wrap them in tissue or toilet paper and throw it in an envelope, literally. So, but I just wanted to show you, yeah, sure enough, this one is packed in popcorn, packing peanuts, they call it, and then bubble wrap, and then what's in the bubble wrap. Anything else in there? Just one car, it looks like. So let's just make sure. Don't want to miss any cards. So, but I was waiting for one car, so I kind of knew that's what this was. So, and then bubble tape wrapped very nicely around the car, but also wrapped in folded cardboard, which protects the blister pack. So no, the blister card. So this is the blister card, this cardboard piece that a true collector, I guess that's not me, a true collector wants this in pristine condition, and it is worth more money in the package, almost twice as much. And I don't know the value of this car, but let's say it was, this probably was like a $3.99 or $4.99 car, because it's a little bit of a special car. It has real metal chassis, and it has real rider wheels, tires, which are real rubber. So it was probably a $5 car. It probably now is a $30 car, and in the package, that value would just continue to go up. What does Mr. John's do? Oh. All right, well, I don't want the package. So I appreciate how well it was packed, but I immediately get rid of all that and get down to the metal goodness of the car. I want to be able to touch and feel and play with the cars, and that's how I did it when I was 8 years old, and that's how I do it when I'm 58 years old. So this is the Mustang Cobra that I was waiting to finish up my 2012 collection. So excited, because now I have just about every Hot Wheels Mustang from 2012. But I'm going to highlight that video shortly. That's one thing I'm working on today, is doing some videos and some photos of those cars. But I just wanted to show you kind of the process of, it's like Christmas when a box shows up at my house. But just how well things are packaged, all just for me to rip it apart to get to the car. So kind of fun. And if you're following any of my other videos, I appreciate it. And stay tuned. There's a 2012 Hot Wheels Mustang video coming soon. Mr. John's is out.